How to set your Facebook cover photos privately. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to open a Facebook app on your mobile. As you open Facebook app on your mobile, then you have to click on the profile option that is located on the top left corner. And over here you have the option of the cover photo, and you can edit it by clicking on the photo option. Now I have to go on upload photo, and I can upload any photo I want. Now as I am uploading this photo, then I have to adjust it, and I have to click on save option. As I click on save option, if I don't want to show this picture, then I have to go down, and in my feed I will be able to see my cover photo. Then I have to click on these three dots, and then I have to hide from our profile. This post will be hidden from your profile. Now you can secretly turn off to change your profile picture. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.